In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a gitignore file on your Mac. So let's see how we can do this thing. So here we are in a folder. It's inside downloads. There's a folder FewSteps Java app. So I want to create a .gitignore file over here. But if you try to do traditional way, it is unable to give us everything to do this thing. So we have to follow some rules or technique to do this thing. So at first I'm going to open a editor. I'm going to use like text edit editor. So if we try to type te, then it's showing like text edit is there. We just need to click here to open text edit, and it will be looking like this. Now we are going to create a new document by pressing this button, new document, and here it opened like this. Now here we can write some folder or file name like dev1.txt. that means the files or folders which we don't want to track, right? So now we need to change the format of this file. So at first we need to click format, and then we have to choose make plain text, and it will be looking like this. Now it's time to save it. I'm going to press command S together, and it will be open this type of window. From here we can save it. So here it is showing which path we need to save. So at first I'm going to choose the location. Here I want to save it, FewSteps Java app, and then after there I'm going to type the name of the file is like .gitignore. And now here I'm going to uncheck this box. If no extension is provided, then use .text. I'm going to uncheck this thing, and then I'm going to press the save button. It will ask me whether I am sure to make this file like this name with dot extension. We have to press use dot, and very shortly it will be created. Now we can close this thing, and we can check here, but here it is not visible, right? So because that file is a hidden file by default, so to make it visible we have to hold three keys together, command shift and dot. Just press command shift dot together, and you'll see the file is there. And now you can check the preview of that file, or you open it or edit it. And that's it. In this way we can easily create a .gitignore file on our Mac computer.